Okay, so we will be studying today maximum and minimum values of function, and this is really important part of the chapter. Now let's write the method of obtaining maximum and minimum values. So these are important steps. So step number one is, now the steps are very simple. Okay. First, we find first order derivative d of y with respect to x or f dash x of a function. So we find first order derivative. Now second step, we take derivative of y with respect to x, which is equal to 0, or f dash x is equal to 0, and obtain the values of x. So we have one equation, we find the first order derivative, then we take that first order derivative equation as 0, and then we find the values of x. Third, now what is x? Okay, I'll write what is x. X gives a stationary point. Now, third one. So first we found out first order difference. We took that equation as 0. We found the value of x. Now we find second order derivative. So that is, we find out second order derivative of y with respect to x, which is equal to f double dash x. Fourth one, we put the value of x in equation above. In equation above. In equation above means what? Over here. We put that in equation above. If it is negative, it is maximum value. If it is positive, it gives minimum value. Now what we will be doing over here is, see, you found out first order difference, then you took that first order difference equation as 0, you found the value of x. Now this value of x you have to put in this second order derivative equation, what you get, or when you put it, if you get a negative number, if you get a negative number, then that for that value of x you will get the maximum value of the function. If you get a positive number then it will be minimum. Now यहाँ पे थोड़ा रिवर्स है, तो ध्यान देना, नेगेटिव है तो मैक्सिमम है and positive है तो minimum है. This is what you have to remember. So this is really important. Now fifth one, we find maximum value or minimum value by putting x in the given function. We find the maximum value or the minimum value by putting x in the function. Now see, basically the function is just an equation, and which is given f of x is equal to so and so or y is equal to so and so. Now how do we know that this function is for the maximum value or for the minimum value, or at what point? Okay, you will get the, at what value of x you will get the maximum value, or at what value of x you will get the minimum value. So what we do is we take this function derivative of the function as 0. Okay, we find the derivative, we take it as 0, we find the value of x, then we find second order derivative, and then we put that value of x in the equation. Once we put it in the equation, if the answer is negative, it means with that value of x you will get the maximum value of the function. If that a, if by putting x in this equation, if you get positive, then for this value of x you will get the minimum value of the function. So here we will, at step 4 we will decide whether it is maximum value or whether it is the minimum value, and then finally we find maximum value or minimum value by putting x in the given function. Yani the function is given y is equal to something or f of x is equal to something, we put that value over here and we find the final answer. Now let's go to illustration number 25. Now we will be doing illustration number 25. We have to find maximum value and minimum value of function is f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 12x minus 4. So this is the question with us. Now solution, f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 12x minus 4. Now we find out first order derivative. So f dash x, first order derivative f dash x is equal to 3 2s are 6 x square plus 3 2s are 6x minus 12. So we got this equation. So for finding values of x, for finding values of x, we take f dash x is equal to 0. So this first order equation over here, you take it as 0. So that is 0 is equal to 6x square plus 6x minus 12. Now we divide all of them by 6. So what we get is x square plus x minus 6 twos are 12, which is equal to 0. Now how we can factorize this? So it will be x squared, 2 ones are 2, plus 2x minus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. So it is x in the bracket x plus 2 minus 1 minus and minus. So it will be again x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now we get x minus 1 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 2. Now we are getting two values of x. So we have to see at what value function is maximum and at what value the function is minimum. So this is step 1, this is step 2, and we find the values of x. Now next is we find out second order difference. So now f double dash x is what we have to find out. So f dash x is equal to 6x square plus 6x minus 12. So therefore f double dash x is equal to, now 6 twos are 12x plus 6. Now we have got this. So now what we have to do, we have to substitute value of x. So first we take at x is equal to 1. So we take x is equal to 1. So f double dash x, or you can take f double dash 1 is equal to 12 into 1 plus 6, which is equal to 12 plus 6, which is equal to 18. Now 18 is greater than 0, therefore we get minimum value of function at x is equal to 1. We get minimum value of function at x is equal to 1. Important. Now, over here, we got the minimum value of function at x is equal to 1. Now we go for at x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. Now ध्यान देना. So x is equal to 1, we check, we get the minimum value of the function. Now x is equal to minus 2. So we substitute it, f double dash x, which is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 12 into minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to minus 24 plus 6, which is equal to minus 18, which is less than 0. Minus 18 less than 0. So that is we get less है तो maximum value of function at x is equal to -2. Now we came to know कि कौन से वैल्यू ऑफ x के लिए फंक्शन का मिनिमम वैल्यू मिलेगा या मैक्सिमम वैल्यू मिलेगा. So what we need to do now is we need to find कि what will be the values. So now we take first minimum value. Taking x is equal to 1. So equation is f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 12x minus 4. So f of x is equal to 2, 1 raised to 3 plus 3, 1 raised to 2 minus 12 into 1 minus 4, which is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 12 minus 4, which is equal to minus 16 and 5, so minus 11. So minimum value of function is minus 11. Now we go for maximum value. X is equal to -2. F of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 12x minus 4, which is equal to 2 into minus 2 raised to 3 plus 3 minus 2 raised to 2 minus 12 into minus 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2 raised to 3 is minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. 2 is 4, 3 are 12, so plus 12 plus 12 2s are 24, minus minus will become plus and minus 4, which is equal to 24 and 12 minus 24 into 36 minus 20, which is equal to 16. So therefore, minimum value of function of x is minus 11 and maximum value is 16. Answer. You have to write all these things. Now, illustration 26, we have to find maximum and minimum value for function y is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1. So this is our main equation out here. Now, first step is we find out first order derivative. So I'll write the heading also so you come to know. So first order derivative will be d of y with respect to x is equal to 3x square minus 2 2s are 4, 4x minus 4. Now, second step is taking d of y upon d of x is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 3x square minus 4x minus 4. Now 4 3s are 12 and you want 4 over here. So 6 2s are, we can take minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 and over here 3x square. So we take 3x common, x minus 2 plus 2 common, x minus 2. So what we get is, which is equal to 3x plus 2 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to x is equal to, ये 3x में 2 will come over here, it will become negative. So minus 2 by 3 or x is equal to 2. Now we have got two values of x. We have to check whether at what value of x the function will be maximum or the function will be minimum. So what we need to do now is we find out second order derivative. So for second order derivative, we take d square y upon dx square, which is equal to first order derivative. This is the first order derivative. उसका second order, so 3 2s are 6x minus 4. 6x minus 4. Now, we take putting x is equal to 2 in above. We get 6 into 2 minus 4, 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8 is greater than 0. So at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 2, function is minimum. Then we take putting x is equal to minus 2 by 3 in 6x minus 4. So which is equal to 6 into minus 2 by 3 minus 4. 3 2s are minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 less than 0. So at x is equal to minus 2 by 3, function is maximum. Now we will have to find the minimum and maximum value. अब ये पता चल गया कि x is equal to 2, function is minimum, x is equal to minus 2 by 3, function is maximum. So we find out first minimum value of function taking x is equal to 2. So y is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1. So y is equal to 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4 2s are 8, so 8 minus 8 minus 4 2s are 8 minus 1, which is equal to minus 9. maximum value of function taking x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So y is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1. So y is equal to minus 2 by 3 cube minus 2 by 3 square minus 4 minus 2 by 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 raised to 3 is minus 8 upon 3 cube is 27 minus, now minus 2 square is positive 4 into 2 is 8, so minus 8 upon 3 square is 9. Now minus of minus 4 twos are 8, so plus 8 by 3 minus 1. So we take LCM as 27 and cross multiply. So it will be minus 8, 9 threes are 3 eights are 24. So minus 24 plus 3 nines are 8 nines are 72. Minus 27 ones are 27 upon 27, which is equal to 13, which is equal to 13 upon 27. So we say final answer maximum value of x, maximum value of y is equal to 13 by 27 and minimum value is minus 9.